So the best way to think about expanding triple brackets is to first multiply out the numbers and then we look at the letters. And I'll explain what I mean by that. So we'll look at this first term, 3x times by 2x. First we look at the numbers only. 3 times by 2 gives me 6, and then x times by x gives me x squared. And then I'll repeat this process throughout. 3x times by 3, well, 3 times by 3, we'll do the numbers first, which is 9, and then the letters x is left over. Again, minus 1 times by 2x, minus 1 times by 2 would be negative 2, and then we have the x left over. And finally, minus 1 times by 3 is going to be minus 3. Then we'll simplify this as much as possible. So we have 6x squared, 9x take away 2x is going to be 7x minus 3. And then this becomes your new bracket now. We'll bring down the bracket that we hadn't used, which is the x minus 5. And now we're going to repeat the process. We're going to do 6x squared times by x. And again, we do the numbers. Well, technically there's no number here, but when we think about x, it's almost like we have a 1 in front of it. So when we do 6x squared times by 1x, we'll do the numbers first. 6 times by 1 is just 6. X squared times by x is going to be x to the power of 3. And then again, 6x squared times by minus 5. 6 times by minus 5 is minus 30. And then we're left with x squared. Again over here, 7x times by 1x, 7 times by 1 is going to be 7, x times by x is x squared, 7x times by minus 5, 7 times minus 5 is minus 35, add on the x, we're almost there, minus 1 times by 3, minus 3 times by 1x, that'll be minus 3x, and then finally, minus 3 times by minus 5 is going to be positive 15. And we'll collect our like terms. Well, there's no other x cubed, so we'll leave it as x cubed over here. Then we have minus 30x squared plus 27x squared. So that's going to be minus 23x squared, minus 35x, minus 33x, minus 3x is going to be minus 38x, and then we have plus 15. And that's it. That's your answer.